Welcome to Cooking with Jimmy. Today we're going to be making homemade spaghetti. Start off by dicing our onions. So I like to leave a base so that way it doesn't slip and it's easy to cut that way also. Try to keep your fingers away from the knife. Very important. So we're going to be adding all these ingredients to our sauce, which is the most important part. Alright, next step is going to be dicing your tomatoes. That's also going to go into your sauce. Just take your time, no rush. This is actually one of my favorite dishes to make. I'm half Italian, so spaghetti is in my blood. Alright, you got your ground beef, your marinara sauce, your tomatoes, your noodles, and your onions. Alright, make sure to bring your water to a boil before you add the noodles. That's a very important step. Alright, we're going to add our ground beef. So I like to break up the ground beef before it browns off. And that helps you to get all the flavors when you add all your ingredients to it because it's broken up. Alright, you're going to add your garlic powder. Italian seasoning, a little bit of allspice, and some black pepper. Some people like to add the ingredients when it's browned off, but I like to do it before. And when you're browning off your meat, make sure that you're adding your ingredients as well. So I start with the marinara sauce. Your tomatoes. And your diced onions. You want them diced so that way they basically melt into the sauce. And I like to let my sauce sit and simmer for at least 20 minutes, sometimes 30. The longer you let spaghetti sit, the better it's going to taste because it allows all the ingredients to coincide together and it tastes so much better. Remember, I'm Italian. I love spaghetti. Alright. And here's the end product of your sauce. Nice and boiling. Your sauce is done. So we're going to move on to plating and presentation. Start by adding your noodles. This is the fun part. And add a little bit of your sauce. And be generous with your sauce. Parmesan cheese. I actually am very heavy-handed with the Parmesan cheese. I love Parmesan cheese, but to each his own. You don't have to add as much as I do. And a little parsley for the garnish and the finishing touches. Voila! There you have it. Homemade spaghetti.